This program is for relaxation and enhances well-being. Your chosen Vibra Shake program will now start with a warm-up phase. Please make sure that you place your feet as indicated on the foot symbols and do not lock your knees during the Vibra Shake program.
I'm inside of this beauty enhancer Vibra machine, and the vibration's a bit too much for me. I had it on 3 at first and I had to turn it down, but it has like these fans that blow. The air feels really good after sweating from my workout. I showed you guys like the buttons. You can play like music. That's the top, and there's like some air coming from there. You guys can see the lights. I don't know if I was supposed to take off my clothes or not. I heard that on one video, but then another video she didn't have her clothes off. They gave me these things to put on my eyes, but I did read that it's optional because this light does not hurt your eyes. But they did say it, you know, it's good to wear like a sunglasses or something. The vibration is going on underneath, so I'm gonna try to stand on it again, but I turned it down to 1, and oh my god, it's so shaky. Oh my god. I'm gonna close my eyes and try to relax. Okay, be back, you guys. Do I have these on right, you guys? Oh my gosh. I can see. I didn't put them on because I didn't think I could see out of them. These are like the tanning bed ones, so I'm gonna hold on and get back on here. Holy jamalis. I don't understand why it shakes so freaking hard. Oh my god.
Please exit carefully. For maximum benefit, drink plenty of water, moisturize your skin, and follow the recommended schedule for the beauty.